Knollan, the ultimate mechanical lock. The coolest thing about the new Knollan SALY wheel lock is how fast and easy it is to use. Fast opening, opening in the dark, unlimited password length with remembered meaning code. To open your lock for the first time, find the factory password that comes with the instructions. Squeeze the cable twice toward the lock until you hear it click. That clears the lock. Move the button according to the factory password. This factory password is set to 1694. Be sure to slide the button all the way through. Pull the cable out to open the lock. Push the cable in to close the lock. Practice opening the lock for several times before you change the factory password. Setting your personal password. Step 1. Choose a new password and make sure you write it down. Open the lock. Step 2. Turn the lock over and open the cap. Using a pointed object, slide the reset lug toward the R position. Step 3. Turn the lock to the front. Now, do not forget to squeeze the cable twice toward the lock until it clicks to clear the lock. Pull the cable out. It is very important. Enter your new chosen personal password by moving the button in any direction sequence of your choice. For example, the name Wheel50 is WHEEL50. Be sure to slide the button all the way through. Step 4. Turn the lock over and slide the lug back. Then close the cable and the cap. Your new password is installed. Now you can open your lock with your new password. Keep your personal password in a safe place. Enjoy your cool new SALY wheel lock. Knollan, the ultimate mechanical lock.